Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's going on, man? I do videos.
Oh, yeah, I watch your channel, man.
JACOBVILE? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what all's in here? Go ahead.
My name is Ruben. I got 4 ZVX 15s on 2 4500s.
Alright. Tuning, spec of enclosure?
30 hertz.
Okay. Did you build the box?
I got a man named Gino to build it.
Alright. Have you metered it?
53.4.
Nice. Okay. Are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah. I got a lot more work to do to it, though.
Yes, sir. And these are wired, are they strapped or are they linked?
No, they're not. It's 2 per amp.
2 per?
They're wired at 1.
1 ohm. Alright. Awesome. Alright. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man.
Yeah, something for you.
RP4, 150.4. Arctic Wolf 4 channel too. Oh, that. Can I see the back?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna look on the side too. What was your name?
Ruben.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.